Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and I am here in my home fitness studio, and I want to show you a little piece of equipment that I have been using and absolutely loving. These are Cork yoga blocks, and these are from Dakini Wellness. First of all, they are made out of cork, so they are a natural product, and they're also naturally bacterial resistant, which is really great for any fitness equipment. And also, I think the look of the cork is absolutely beautiful. Because they're cork, they're also slightly heavier than a foam block, so I have found them to be way more sturdy and also slip resistant. This comes in a little kit, so you also get an 8-foot yoga strap, which is really nice. It works super well. The D-rings are really sturdy, really stable, and it's a really nice thing to add to your flexibility and mobility training. And then it also comes with a carrying bag, which is a really nice touch. You can pop everything in there and then take your items on the go. So these blocks are also really versatile. You can add them into all different types of workouts. I love to add them into strength training as well, either to add a little bit of resistance. They do have a little bit of weight to them, which is really nice, or even to add depth to things like push-ups and make them a little bit more challenging. So I've been so happy with this product. I really love these. I think that they are super beneficial, really helpful if you're working on flexibility or mobility and you need a way to add a little bit of extra support, or perhaps add a little bit of length, or to ensure proper alignment. So many different things that you can use these for. And I think they'd really be a great addition to any home gym space. So if you're looking for a set of yoga blocks, I would definitely recommend these. I absolutely love them from Dakini Wellness, and that's my point of view.